The legendary Lexus LFA is back, but not in the way enthusiasts hoped. For more than a decade, fans have speculated about what the successor to one of the greatest V10 supercars in history would look like. Rumors long suggested it would be a Lexus-branded evolution of Toyota's upcoming GR-GT platform, carrying a thunderous internal combustion engine. However, the truth revealed in Japan has proven very different. The new LFA concept is fully electric, marking a dramatic shift from the screaming V10 icon that made the original unforgettable. The new Lexus LFA concept made its dramatic debut alongside Toyota's twin-turbo V8 GR-GT. Months ago, Lexus teased this future flagship under the name Lexus Sport Concept, hinting at a high-performance evolution. That early design study has now transformed into the more production-focused LFA concept, a car aimed at the next era of performance engineering. The most surprising development is Lexus's decision to abandon internal combustion entirely for this project. Rather than embracing Toyota's new V8, the LFA concept adopts a full electric powertrain that Lexus claims reflects the technologies it intends to pass on to future generations. Lexus says the LFA nameplate is no longer restricted to traditional high-revving engines. Instead, the badge symbolizes the pinnacle of engineering for its time, regardless of propulsion type. Even so, purists may struggle to accept an LFA without the signature howl of the original 4.8-liter V10, a sound that remains one of the most celebrated in automotive history. No electric motor, no matter how advanced, can replicate that mechanical symphony. And while Lexus refuses to share performance numbers, the absence of any specifications leaves many wondering just how far this EV can push the envelope. What makes the decision even more intriguing is that the LFA concept shares the same all-aluminum platform used by Toyota's GR-GT and GR-GT3. That architecture was developed with the flexibility to accommodate Toyota's new twin-turbo V8. Lexus could have easily adopted the same engine for a more traditional successor. Instead, the company elected to redefine its Halo car in a way that diverges entirely from Toyota's approach. This could signal the start of a bold new direction for Lexus performance vehicles. What cannot be denied is that the new LFA concept is stunning. Its proportions, lines, and sculpted forms give it a clean, exotic presence that some critics say surpasses the Toyota. The cabin, still in concept form, also shows a completely different philosophy. While the GR-GT focuses on motorsport minimalism, Lexus leans heavily into futuristic luxury, consistent with the brand's design identity. Even at this early stage, the LFA concept's interior clearly separates it from its Toyota sibling. The biggest question now is, what comes next? Lexus has confirmed the LFA concept is headed for production, strongly suggesting it will become the official second-generation Lexus LFA. Its on-road debut, however, remains uncertain. Industry expectations point to a release around 2027, potentially slightly after Toyota launches the GR-GT. If so, the LFA could hit public roads as one of the first all-electric supercars developed on a shared motorsport platform. The decision to electrify the LFA nameplate will undoubtedly stir debate for years to come. Enthusiasts may never reconcile the loss of the legendary V10 soundtrack. But Lexus appears committed to reshaping its performance identity for an electric era, using the LFA concept as the flagship. Whether the decision is bold or risky remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: the next chapter of the LFA will be unlike anything the world expected.